Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm Ronella Hernandez, here to give you a news update on all things Web3 and crypto. On today's episode, however, we're talking about artificial intelligence, AI, and why investors in AI are freaking out. Let's get into it. The crypto market is down. Bitcoin and Ethereum are suffering their worst sell-offs since the pandemic, with both cryptocurrencies falling more than 20% this past week, as Japan triggers a market collapse. The Japan stock market fell 12% on Monday to suffer its worst day since 1987. Fear is up in the world, thanks to political and economic tensions and escalating military conflicts. And you know what else is being affected? AI stocks. Some news headlines used expressions like AI trade carnage, or this one from Bloomberg, which read global sell-offs sinks tech. Doesn't sound too great, to be honest. So what happened? The top 7 big tech stocks in the US stock market are Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta Platforms, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla have lost about $1.3 trillion in market cap. Yikes. And I bring them up because it's these companies that are spending the big bucks on AI, around $50 billion just this quarter, in fact. So this leads us to question, will all this AI spending be worth the ROI? And is this the AI bubble that we were promised? Is it just AI panic? And is this panic justified? Well, in truth, there's just a lot of uncertainty in the world right now. And markets hate uncertainty. So if and when the AI hype does come back, let's hope it will be a good thing for the industry in the long term. Now let's look at one artificial intelligence company that we've spoken a lot about on this show. OpenAI, the founder behind the chatbot ChatGPT that basically put AI tools on the map for the masses just 2 years ago. OpenAI has gone through a lot, including the firing and rehiring of CEO Sam Altman in November in just a matter of days. Well, now 2 of OpenAI's co-founders, as well as a top product leader, are leaving the company. Greg Brockman, OpenAI's president and one of 11 co-founders of the artificial intelligence firm, is taking an extended leave of absence, whatever that means. Another co-founder and key leader, John Schulman, has left for Anthropic, a rival company founded by ex-OpenAI researchers. They actually made the Claude chatbot for anyone who uses that one. And the third to leave is Peter Deng, a product leader who joined the company last year after leading products at Meta Platforms, Uber, and Airtable. Regardless of if these incidents are related or not, it just goes to show how unstable the leadership at OpenAI is. Now, in addition to this leadership crisis, Elon Musk reopened his lawsuit against OpenAI for being closed AI and converting from a nonprofit into a for-profit company. Musk was actually one of the co-founders of OpenAI back in 2015, but had a falling out with them because he didn't like how things were being run. He first sued OpenAI back in February, accusing the ChatGPT maker of abandoning its original nonprofit mission by reserving some of its most advanced AI technology for private customers. But then he dropped the lawsuit in June without much explanation, after OpenAI published old emails from Musk that revolved around OpenAI's creation. He's going for take 2 now. This new lawsuit is against OpenAI, Sam Altman, and Gregory Brockman. While the first lawsuit was filed in California state court, the new one was filed in federal court in Northern California and is nearly double in length. And it claims that OpenAI is engaging in racketeering activity. This is according to CNN. Musk feels betrayed and is having his "et tu, Brutus" moment, or in this case, "and you, Sam and Gregory" moment. We'll have to wait and see how OpenAI responds to Musk, because they're also busy dealing with other lawsuits, like one from YouTube creator named David Millett. This YouTuber, who is not famous, alleges that OpenAI transcribed Millett's and other creators' videos to train the models that power the company's AI-powered chatbot, ChatGPT, and other generative AI tools and products without notifying or compensating the video's owners. By collecting this data, OpenAI profited significantly from the creator's work. The complaint alleges, while violating copyright law and YouTube's terms of service that prohibit the use of videos for apps independent of its service. Okay, what do we think about this, folks? OpenAI is not the only one doing this, Other major companies, including Google, Apple, Salesforce, and NVIDIA, have also utilized datasets containing YouTube's subtitles for AI training tools. Many creators were unaware of this usage and did not consent to it. Our data, intellectual property, and the matter of fair compensation has not just been a struggle for content creators, but for all internet users out there. It has now become an ethical battle. There is an obvious need for clear guidelines and ethical standards in AI development as it continues to evolve. So the outcome of this case could set important precedents for how AI companies access and utilize data and respect and protect the rights of all stakeholders. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is it ethical for AI companies to train their models using creator scripts? And is Elon in the right for saying that OpenAI has lost its way, or is he just butthurt? And in the meantime, let's see if Bitcoin and Ethereum are still down.
Today in the crypto market, Bitcoin is trading at $57,436 today. Ether's price is at $2,450 today. Sol is trading $155.83 right now. Trading green today is the Sway token, up 10% right now.
That's all for today on artificial intelligence and OpenAI. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto TV. Make sure to give this video a like and check out this week's Crypto TV conversation. And tune in next week for more news that you wouldn't want to miss.